Okay, we're on a bit of a roll here. We're talking about liquid flux. And I've done my best to do a bad job of this. Unfortunately, I'm using good equipment and good solder, and everything's clean, so it's hard to make bad joints. But I've gone on here and I've done my best to produce a few bad joints. So I'm going to clean my iron here and tin it. And we've got some dry, some dry joints here. We've got some ugly, it's not good looking. And so what I want to do is I want to try to clean this up, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy this is to clean up with the right equipment and with the right materials. So I've got my liquid flux, right? Everybody knows I love Kester 186 liquid flux. So let's go on there. We've got a little bit of liquid flux on that, and then we've got solder here, and we've got the soldering iron. I'm going to clean my soldering iron. I'm going to tin my soldering iron. Just going to add a little bit of solder to it, and then I'm going to start at this end, and I'm going to drag down to the other end, one at a time, through the liquid flux, making sure that I'm touching each of these pad and pin. And there we go, it's fixed. So let's do the other side. Again, liquid flux. We've got a solder bridge right here, you can see, and there's a couple of ugly ones up at this end. Clean my iron. Tin, a little bit of extra solder. Start at this end, heat as we go, drag along there. We're probably going to clean up that solder bridge quite nicely as we go past it and pick up the extra solder. There we go. Now we're dragging the solder along. There you go. Liquid flux and a hot soldering iron, a little bit of solder, and it's fixed. I actually took a look at this under the microscope, and it looks pretty darn good. Let's just clean it up and take a look. Same thing I always do. Isopropyl, scrub. Isopropyl scrub. Give it a quick rinse, dab it off with a Kim wipe. How's that look? Looks pretty good to me.